Good evening, friends. Welcome to the India Power Talk. India Power Talk is a knowledge sharing initiative. We invite international thought leaders and domain experts to share their insights, experiences, and strategies related to business and the economy. Today, we are examining an idea that is as radical as it is ambitious: redesign the world, a global call to action. It is my great honor, privilege, and personal pleasure to welcome Sam Pitroda as my guest today.
Thank you, Nitin. I really want to compliment you for the series of conversations you are having with global leaders. The world was last designed just about the time I was born. And I think that design has done pretty well. In general, longevity has increased, infant mortality has decreased, technology has benefited large number of people, and we have lifted large number of people out of poverty. But that design hasn't solved some of the great problems in this world. That design has created environmental blunders. Global warming is a net result of that design. That design hasn't completely eliminated poverty, hunger, and violence. At the time of redesign, 80 years ago, if the Western world had paid attention to Gandhi, the world would be very different today. We need a new design because for the first time in the human history, all 8 billion people are connected. Because to me, this connectivity brings about democratization of knowledge, decentralization of implementation, and demonetization of services. COVID-19 tells me specifically that there are only two important things in this world. One, our planet. And two, our people. We need to strengthen our democracy everywhere. We have to build inclusive world. I believe the starting point is to have a new conversation. Second requirement is to have change agents. If you don't have change agents, there will not be change. And first change has to come from within.